more survivors coming out of the raft. Survivors in the water with Dan.
Roger, I'm still getting this, all situated back here.
Roger. Alright, he's starting to swim.
Altitude. Altitude.
40 feet.
Anytime you're ready.
Just moving the last couple things.
Altitude. Altitude.
Okay. I'm ready.
Everything remains the same.
Altitude.
He's got
Altitude.
survivors, so we'll keep it with a basket. Brief is complete.
Roger, rescue checklist complete, ready for one basket recovery of survivor. From what's the altitude, sir?
It's going to vary between 50 and 30 feet.
Altitude.
From wherever we're at.
Altitude.
Roger. I have target sight.
Altitude.
In the hoist.
Roger. Left swimmer's underneath your door.
C-130 and
Seat
601
commands.
outside.
Roger. Basket just outside cabin.
Altitude.
We've got a couple big ones coming in sequence.
And
Bring your basket inside cabin.
he actually got pulled pretty far away from the raft for being so far out, so we're just planning on picking him up.
Roger, I'm eyes in the cabin also.
Roger, got eyes on the swimmer. There's no way he'll be able to swim that far.
So we're going to have to pick him up.
Yep.
Altitude. Altitude.
Roger, stand by. Disconnecting basket. Pass is disconnected. Plane's going outdoor. Plane's all the way down. Way down, halfway down. Hold, easy back. Back 10. Easy left. Left 5. We're right over the raft. Back 10.
Confirm the total number of people you're dealing with.
Hold.
03, standby.
Easy right and forward right. 10.
You got about 5 seconds.
And I'm not going to make that. 4, 5. Hold. Hold. East forward. 4, 5. Hold. And back 10. Swimmers at the hook. Back 10. Back 10. Easy left. Left 5. And swimmers out your 3 o'clock and right, forward right. Right 15.
Got him inside.
Roger. Right 10. Hold. Hold. Frank, take the load. We have the load. Clear move back and left 20.
Clear back and left.
I feel so bad. I'm jerking him around the water.
That's all right.
And the swimmer's just underneath the cabin door.
We're going to start transitioning forward.
Roger.
Where did it go?
Got the other raft in sight.
12 o'clock.
Find out from the 03 if there's still a marker next to the PIW if they see the PIW.
036031.
Go.
36031, we're transitioning forward to the other raft for the additional 3 POB. Do you still have a marker on the PIW?
Yeah, over the horizon.
Check complete. Swimmer's going down. How we doing?
Okay, thanks. I appreciate it. You guys are great.
And hold. Am I good?
You're good.
Roger. Swimmer's going into the water. Water. And left 5.
You got about 20
Left
seconds.
10.
You got plenty of time.
Swimmer's away. Swimmer's coming out at your 4 o'clock. Hoist hook's halfway up.
Cease commands.
Roger. Hoist hook is just outside cabin door. Hoist hook's inside cabin.
How's it look like?
Roger. I have target inside of my 3 o'clock. Bass is going out cabin door. Bass outside cabin. Bass going down. Bass halfway down. Bass is holding 15 feet off water. Easy back. Hold. Basket is in water. Survivor's going in basket. Easy forward.
You got about 10 seconds.
Easy forward. Easy left. Left 5. Left 5.
4, 3.
Left 5. Hold. Forward 10.
You got about 20
Hold.
seconds of relative calm.
Hold. Parent, take the load. Taking the load. We have the load. Clear move back and left 30. Swimmer is coming out at your 3 o'clock. Bass is halfway up.
Cease commands.
Roger, stopping swinging.
That raft flipped too.
Oh, good, it'll go faster. 2003, 6031.
6031, 2003.
This raft flipped as well. We've got a 2 PIW.
Roger, copy, 2 PIW. Raft, get inside cabin.
Alright, we may have to pick Dan up again. Alright, I see the
Survivor's getting out of the basket. Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Alright, may begin the hoist. Send the bear hook down.
Roger, on target site. Hoist 6 on its way down. Hoist 6 going down. Hoist 6 is halfway down. Forward 15. Forward 10. Hold. Forward 5. Forward 5. Forward 5. And hold. Easy right.
Alright, you've got this swell, about 3 seconds, and a big one behind it.
And back 5. Swimmers at the hook. Back 5. Hold. Waiting for ready pickup. Easy right. Hold. Trying to take the load. Taking the load. We have the load.
Just hold him below the aircraft and we'll just reposition by the raft.
Roger, I'm going to bring him halfway up. Got him.
Got the raft in sight. It's righted itself. How about that? Raft is coming out the right side. Trying to stop at the wind. I'm not swinging Dan too much.
No, I stopped him.
Right.
I think I threw my shoulder out too. Lowering him in the water. Hold.
You got plenty of room.
Swimmers in the water. Swimmers away. Swimmers okay. Clear move up, back and left 30.
Clear up, back and left. You've got a nice little rain shower. We're going to be sitting in here for a little while.
Cease commands.
Roger, swimmer. Alright, you got him inside. Hoist 6 halfway up.
Looks like there's 2 people remaining in there. Alright, there's one more person in the raft. Guy was hiding. Come on, Dan, reach that.
Bring a basket in the cabin.
There, he's got the drogue chute. Alright, he's got the tow line.
10 seconds, and then you've got one big one.
Roger.
So we're going to be sitting on top of a plateau here for a little bit.
And basset's going down.
Fairly calm stuff. We've got about 40 to 60 seconds before it gets gnarly again.
Basset's going down. Easy forward right. Hold. Easy left. Easy forward. Hold. And back and left 5. Back 5. Swimmers at basket. Hold. And left 5. Left 5. Forward and left 5. Forward 5. Alright, ready to pick up. Forward 5. Alright, take the load. Hold. Taking the load. We have the load.
Clear.
And basket. Halfway up. Swimmer is at your 3 o'clock. And this one's swinging really bad. Yeah, swimmer in sight.
Roger, cease commands.
Roger. Basset's just outside cabin door.
You can pull away from the raft quite a bit there.
Bring a basket inside cabin.
Sector North Carolina, Sector North Carolina, Coast Guard
I'm
Rescue.
gonna check with the O3 now, see if they can start.
on channel.
See if they want to have a contingency plan. Let's just go to Cherry Point, drop some people off, hot gas, and come back.
20036031.
31203.
Hey, we're just getting ready to pick up our rescue swimmer. Do you guys have a contingency plan so far as G?